Good morning, everyone. This is my vlog. Like and share and subscribe. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Today is Monday. First day of the last week. 22nd of September, everyone. And time check. 4:09. And the weather is 7 degrees, everyone. Oh my Jesus. Kaya pala ako'y namamaluktot kagabi. Hallelujah. Grabe. So, ayun lang ang update. Dahil giniginawa ko. Malamig. Hindi pa nga, parang hindi pa naman winter, kaya lang papunta na dun sa winter kami dito sa UK, everyone. So that's it at the moment and see you later. Tapos maiksi pa yung aking yung socks ko, foot sock pa rin. So see you later, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Kain tayo.
Wala naman yung cup mo eh. Dala-dala mo eh. Kasi di ko... Okay. O, sige, sige.
Time check, everyone. 10:01. Punta tayo dito sa Sainsbury. Malaki. Kaya bibili ako ng bigas at bigas. Ano ba? Tinapay and talong, everyone. Yan. Yun, itong gusto ko. Ganda. No? Taning ba? Plantitas, everyone. Tapos na yung mga rito pa. Ayan, mas malaki. Ito. This one. Maganda yan. Ano naman pagkalalaki yung bulaklak mo. Pag malaki ang garden mo, pwede mong ilagay doon sa loob. Tapos sa mga bulaklak, andito na naman. Pero hindi ako bibili ngayon ng bulaklak. Dahil may bulaklak pa ako. It's too many orchids. Yung mga malalaki 11 pang. Boom. Lang everyone. Tilang binili ko apat na piraso. Uwi na tayo, everyone. Ang lulutuin ngayon sa kaunting ulam. Kasi meron pa kaming galungkong. So, ayan. See you later, everyone. At malamig na. Biglang lumamig ngayon. Tingnan yung weather. O, 12, sunny. Pero 12 ang degrees. Ang temperature. And it's cold. OTD of the day. Labas na natin sa mga goro-goro na naman dyan. Bonnet na naman tayo. May pa-bonnet. 50% off daw sa salamin. Lunch time. Masarap. Ha?
Anong oras ka umuwi ng linggo?
Gabi na. Nag-meeting kami. Alas 8 na tapos. Panood tayo ng YouTube. O TV Patrol yan. TV Patrol pinapanood mo? Habang naglalaba ako everyone. Ayan everyone. Tapos na mag-dinner. Kaya magtupi naman tayo para magsampay na another one. Sunny day but cold everyone. It's 3:25. Let's go to work. Yeah. Man. Sumikat si Haring Araw. Okay. Naririnig niya ba yun? Yung gas here. Lumalabas. Yung gas ko. So, ayan ang ating langit dito. Ganda, di ba? May araw, pero malamig. Malamig. May hangin kasi. May hangin konti. Windy. Windy today, everyone. See you when I see you, everyone. After 2 trains and 5 minutes walk. Going to workplace, everyone. Ano ito na kaya yan? First train, everyone. My favorite seat. Oh, the sea. Oh, sorry. Ahora sí, everyone. My favorite seat. Going to Algate, everyone. Final destination, everyone. Let's go to Way Out. Way Out. So I'm on time, 16:00 to arrive, and let's go Way Out. And in 5 minutes, I am in the workplace, everyone. So ayan lang. Today is Monday, first day of the week, for the last day, for the last week of the month. So, October is coming. Nearly it's coming. Ayan, top up tayo. Mag-top pala, hindi top up. Ayan, umakyat lang ako ng hagdan. Pagoda na. For station ito. Patulad ng Willis din. Walang wala man lang lift or escalator ba? Diba, everyone? So, that's it. Ang ganda ng araw. Going home, everyone. My first train is already in. Wala pa konti lang. Yeah. But in 5 minutes, it's going. Second train.
Change here for the Metropolitan line. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Time check. 9:30. Kain tayo everyone. Lunch. Sama-samang pakiramdam. Kailangang mag-ginger tea and ginger boost. Puro ginger muna tayo ngayon everyone. And while watching Tanggol. So, yung lalamunan. Konti. Kaya kailangan sugpuin. Tsaka masakit yung mga joints ko. Joints. So, ayun. Puwera. Good night. God bless. And I love you all, everyone.